Masking multiple columns on a Pandas data frame in Python. I am looking to apply multiply masks on each column of a Pandas dataset, respectively to its properties, in Python. In the next step I want to find, a, rows in the data frame that fits all conditions. Therefore I have update. Expected outcome. Here comes the question. How can I apply the concat_mask on df, so that I select rows, in which all Boolean criteria are matched, are true?
You can use the Pandas all method and Boolean logic. As Edgem commented, I am a bit unclear still on your exact example, but a similar example is. If you wanted to index the original data frame by the mask, you could do, or as you originally indicated, rows where all the rows are true. Or if one row was true. For the original question after clarification from the comments, where we want different filtering criteria for different columns.
The hard part here is understanding why you're using even/odd column positions to determine the treatment. Based on your code, it looks like you want columns 0, 2, and 4 to actually be 1 minus their current values. However, based on what you claim is the expected output, it actually seems like you want columns 1 and 3 to have 1 minus their current values. My code above reflects the latter assumption. The general idea still works, just tune it to reflect whatever columns you actually need to have 1 minus the value of, assuming you make your desired output more rigorously defined. Probably that needs to be cleaned up and turned into a proper helper function first that explicitly shows which columns need to have 1 minus their value, versus which columns can be left alone.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.